Let's go. 2 more days left in 2024, man. Let's go. 2 more days left in 2024. Let's go, guys. I'm sitting here trying to get this one account 200 a day, man. I don't even know why I'm using so much size. May or may not get a rejection here. 400 is the level that we're playing off of. Either they're gonna hold it or we get a reject right here. Looks like the bears are trying to form like a base. So we'll see. We're gonna get another retest of VWAP and we'll see if we get a reject again. I might play it off this level. Let's see if we can get anything down and just be done with this account. There we go. That's all I needed.
Order filled.
That's all I needed. If I want to add on, I could just use one mini. Let's keep it going, man. So this will be day 2 for this one for 200 and above. Before I was doing bit by bit, but I think the last couple of times I've had a big first day. And I'm like trying to see how I should do it. Like this one, I shouldn't even trade anymore. Just leave it like that. Try to run this one up. And then I have a combine that I could use right here. 15 points down, that'll be 90 if I want to press it. So I'm going to take my chances up here somewhere in this section. Let's do it. I'm going to put it at 1,000. If they pull it up, then cool. If they pull it back down, I'm going to let the eval do what it does. There's some type of resistance here, but it could also pop up and retest the VWAP. But we'll see. We'll take our chances. See if we can get something to the downside. Ooh, oh wow. Looking for a reject, some type of reject, and then continuation to the downside. But it might go and actually test VWAP. That's what it looks like it wants to do. Boom, there it goes.
Order filled.
Yeah, I saw it coming.
Order filled.
So I could play off the VWAP again to see if we get another. Oh, wow. They kept going.
Order filled.
Well, this eval is about to be done. This eval is done, man. Dang. I was trying to play a reject. Maybe you should have waited till the test of the VWAP. Maybe so.
Order filled.
Yeah, definitely should have waited. Maybe should have waited. But we'll see. They might pop it up here. But we'll see. Yeah, this compound is about to be done.
Order filled.
I gotta let it go. I gotta let that one go. We tried to get a reject off of VWAP, but couldn't hold. Now we got Tradez. Tradez, we did well. We got 2. Wow. Even the tilt says everything is long. Tried to go against it, but it's cool. So this one, we got 1 eval. Oh well, PA took 185 from that one, and the other one took about 200. So for Apex, we're taking it slow. We're not even pushing too hard. We're taking our time and letting it flow. So what do we have? We got the VWAP. They're pressing back above, but there's a weekly level on QQQ that's acting as resistance in this area. So we'll see if we get resistance. continuation. So let's see. Yeah. V pattern, right? And it's probably, and there's, oh my gosh, I didn't draw it out. If we go to Topstep real quick, there's some type of line down here. Dang, should have drawn it. Yeah, definitely should have drawn that one. I missed that one. That's definitely a trend line. Yeah, that's clean. That's definitely a trend line. Why did I not draw this thing? I was definitely battling this trend line. Forgot to draw it. Would have given me a better view. Entry, 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 entry. And you got 4-hour FEGs in here. Wow, definitely should have prepped. Definitely should have. Let me see if it did it work out here. That's definitely it. Wow. Yeah, definitely should have seen that. Markets are closed on Wednesday. Keep that in mind. But the markets open that day at in the evening. Okay, so we're just gonna try to take this account to like 4,000, and then we can request a payout, and then I'll use those proceeds to pay for something else. So that was a huge first day. And then so we got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4 and 5. I should be able to request on Friday. That's the goal. That is the goal. If you request Friday, I should have it by Wednesday. I think it takes like 4 days from request. Okay, let's see. Let's see how we can do this. Yeah, bulls are pushing. They found some support. Where are we at? At 21,300. Yeah, we broke through it, retested it again, broke through it, retested it again, broke through it, retested it again. This time we held. That was 1, 2, couple times. It 21,300 got retested multiple times in this area. It looked like it wanted to dump. What's the bottom below that? We had support at 21,216. Did we get that low? No, we didn't. We didn't. 21,216 is like another key level. 21, is it 21,216? Yeah. 21,216 is another FEG level. And then 21,383 is another FEG level, and they reclaimed that one. So now bulls are trying to run things back to the north side. We'll see. Daily candles are struggling. Oh, what was the bottom on the weekly? Bottom on the weekly was 21,261. That was your bounce. Look at that. To the T. That was the bounce. That was the bounce. I had my weekly up as well. Missed it. I was so busy watching the smaller time frames, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 5 and the 15. Wow, that was a bounce on the, that was definitely a bounce. on the weekly chart. Yeah, and when you're dealing with weekly EMAs, it'll bounce. It'll give it like a cushion of, yeah, the cushion will be bigger than an intraday cushion when you're looking for the bounce off of EMA. Okay, let's see. So look, let's see. Yeah, bulls are pushing back up. They're trying to get back up. We'll see if they can push back to, these are weekly levels, right? So they're trying to go back inside week. It looks like. Finally got my Apex payout this morning. So yeah, let's see. Oh, bulls are pushing. Nice. They're back inside day. QQQ is back inside day. So we'll see. I'm gonna take my time with Apex, bit by bit. Let's see. We'll see what they can do. Wow. All right. Yeah. I think I just have to focus on this one account, get it to pay out, then we can work on some more. Just use that to go full. Use that to go full port on Topstep. Get as many XFAs going as possible. Other than that, I think we're good, man. Dang, that combine disappeared into thin air. That is crazy. That combine definitely disappeared into thin air. So let's see. Here we go. We'll get a retest of VWAP. And then we get continuation. VWAP has to hold. They're going to hold that trend too. Dang. I definitely should have drawn that when we got the retest of the weekly EMA. That's on me. That is definitely on me. Why does it keep doing that? Let's see. Whoa, I've never seen that. What is YouTube doing, guys? Okay, maybe the volume's on. That's probably what it is. Yeah, maybe it's the volume. Had to exit and come back in. Yeah, look at that. We're getting the retest of VWAP. Do I want to hit it again? We'll see. We can maybe wait till the next 5 and see. All right, so we'll see. Hold it up and watch. Whoa. All right, guys. This is a deep pullback. We'll see if we get something from here. Yeah. Yeah, Bulls got to do something here. We're going to play it right off the VWAP, right off the, oh, that'll retest of the weekly? I hope not. Let's see if it can hold here. Whoa. Qs are splashing back through the weekly level. We'll see if they can hold. Hopefully it can hold. It's a good place to take it. Or should I wait till the next 5? I'll wait till the next 5. They might dive in. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Don't battle that candle. Let's see if we can hold on. 15 just reclaimed that 20. Let's see. It's almost lunchtime too. Lunchtime, we are out of here. Lunchtime, we are out of here. Looks like they want to hold. We'll see. They could also collapse here. 15 seconds, fresh 5 coming in hot. Whoa. Bears are strong right here. We'll see. They wanted the 15 to catch up with the weekly level, possibly. We'll see if they hold here. Can they hold? That is the trend line.
Order filled.
Should I hold it? Or should I go against the Bears? I'm trusting the trend to hold. We'll see if it can hold. I'm getting something. I like to take a little bit, at least save yourself. Make sure it's legit. Nice push. Nice push, nice push, nice push, nice push. That's what I wanted, man. Perfect. Great push. That was bigger than what I was expecting. We're still going. Wow. So I'll just leave it there, see where it can go. Now I can blow the top off if it decides to hold. Let's basic VWAP pop. Can make it up. Let's see if we get continuation. Hopefully. Bears are trying to slam it down and it's not working. Wow. That's all I can say, man. Gotta love this game, man. Gotta love this game. 850. I gotta leave with at least 850. Wow.
Order filled.
Can't make that a one up. That was a great play. Great play. Played the trend, all the confluences, man. We had the EMAs, we had the trend line, we had the We had the EMA, we had the trend line, we had the VWAP, all in this little section right here. Everything happening right here at one time, explosion. Then take advantage of your push. You see how I followed that price action up? I'm not waiting for you to take my money back. If I see 800 on the table, I'm going to take it. If I see 400, 500 on the table, I'm going to take it. Once you understand that this game is a marathon, you will follow that price action up. Even if it has the chance to go 100 more points, that's okay. Make sure you leave with something. Don't just set your stop down here. Move your stop up to at least break even as quickly as you can. Man. So if I can get this thing up to 5K, then I can request 2,500 on Friday. I have to keep that in mind. I need to figure out now I have my brackets on Tradez, and I'm using smaller size too. So I think 2025 I'm gonna play with smaller size, because since you can just keep on trading with these props, there's no like stop. So it's like I try to take advantage in the morning for the big moves, but I think I'm gonna go shrink size a bit and then widen, give myself a little bit more space when I'm sniping. This is constant refinement, constant get better, get better, get better, get better, get better, get better, get better. Keep on going, get better. Don't stop, keep pressing. Get better, get better. Now I can actually push this account. I can go into my 1 mini. Whenever I get a big move like that and I'm up 1,000 or 2, why not add to it? If you see good entries, just don't snipe everything. Don't give it back. The key is to stay above 200 on this account. Dang, I blew my combine. Kind of I went heavier than normal, but it is what it is, man. One XFA is in good shape. I'm gonna try to run this thing up. See how far up I can get it. I don't think I've had any accounts at 4,200. I think I've had like 3,000. This is my first time cracking 4,000 on Topstep. So let's see how far we can take it up. We will see. We will see. See if I can have some diamond hands today. Let's see if I can get some diamond hands today. All right, we're going to get another retest into this section, possibly, and then pop it back up. This is a FEG as well, right here. So we get back down to like the 20s, I'm in. I'll take it again. I wonder how it works down here. I think you can set your play. Let me see if I can do it. If I just hit it right here. Okay, limit buy. Cool. Let me see, 20 seconds. Limit buy. Yeah. Limit buy. Boom. Cool. The brackets give you peace of mind. Before without the brackets, I'll get in, I'll look for where I put my stop, then I'll look for where my take profit is. When you just preset it, you can focus on the trade. It takes off a couple of seconds in terms of like your concentration. Because sometimes, as soon as you get in, a move will happen. So, yeah. Oh, wow. The 1 hour is hitting resistance up here. We're hitting a bit of resistance up here. We'll see if they can bust through. 21,476, key level. Let's see what we can do, guys. Log out. Got the Canva up. Canva. And QQQ came down to a 50 SMA level. Didn't touch it, but we definitely got close. But 510, that's close enough. 2 points is close enough. Definitely close enough. Should I just run with this profit and go? We'll see. We got 30 more minutes, man. Let's see what we can do. Gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Let's see if I can get this thing up to 10K. That would be insane. I was trying to get like a $3,000 payout. Yeah, I was aiming for 3,000, but if I can get this thing to 7, that would be great. 7 or 8, that would be cool. I'm at 4 right now, so I can set a target for like 1,000 a day for the next 3 days, right? Because this is 2 days locked in, 200. 1, 2, 3. 3 days at 1,000, I should be good. That'll put me at 7. I can request half of that, 3,500. I'll take that. No problem. Then we can reload XFAs. The key is to reload everything. I need 5 XFAs, and we need plans for each. Going in with a plan will revolutionize your trading. If you don't go in with a plan, it's very easy to go on tilt. Or you can set like a daily, you can set a manual lockout, which is kind of cool. After like a certain, I guess like after you reach a certain level of profit, you can lock yourself out, which is something I respect about Topstep. They do give you tools to like save you from yourself. They definitely give you tools to save you from yourself. Okay, here we go. We're pushing up. 76 is resistance. 76 is resistance. Let's see what we can do. Good day on this account. I like it. And let's go to Tradovate. Tradovate. Once you get almost into cushion, once I get in the cushion, man. So I know how to handle Apex in 2025. Take my time. Topstep will fill in the gaps. And then as I get Topstep payouts, then we'll load into other props. Tradeify. Make sure Topstep is full first before I go anywhere else. 5 XFAs loaded. Then you got Buellnox, Tradeify. So who the top 5? Topstep, Buellnox, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and then Apex. So those are my top 5. I'll put it in chat. What's the so Topstep, Tradeify, or Buellnox. Let's put Buellnox. I'll put Buellnox ahead. Ninja Trader, Buellnox, Tradeify. These are the ones I plan to max out. Then Apex. Max out. Let's go, bro. That's the 2025 movement. Did it not go? Wow, there's a delay on the chat. Okay. Here we go. We're pushing. Now, okay, so here is a key level. Right now we are at yesterday's high. No, Friday's low. Key level. Basically 24. Ooh, this is a big level right here. 21,500 is a huge level. This is a level we've been battling with for a minute now. Let's see. Look at where, wow, look at that bounce. That's insane. Where were we at? That's a huge bounce. That was a huge bounce. So that means we were red before. That 4 hour was red, but it's bouncing back up. Look at where we've tested this level a couple times. This is where we took off way on the 2nd of December. We went all the way up. Then Powell opened his mouth and boom, we had a collapse. But then we came back to this level, bounced back up. Now we're bouncing back off this level. What is this? 21,300, basically 21,300 to 21,000. That whole section. Somebody's waiting down there, filling orders. And then whenever we get back to this 21,500 level, we get some bounces. Here we got a bounce, but collapsed. Got a bounce here, got a bounce here, popped to 22,000. Got a bounce here, right here. That was the 27th. Dove again into the 21,300 liquidities. Somebody's down here buying. And now we're going back up to 21,500, which is a key round number to see if we can reclaim and push back to the upside. Now we have, what do we have? Where are we at? It's 12 o'clock. It's lunchtime. It's the lunch o'clock hour. That's what I call it. The lunch o'clock hour, man. All right, man. Let's keep pushing forward. One thing you can't do is give up, man. If you take a L, learn from it and move on. I need a plan for these Topstep accounts because you can keep trading it. You can keep trading, no problem. It's very easy to keep trading. Even if you have some profit, it's very easy to keep trading. That's why they have that. It's good to use that lockout number. If you can't stop yourself, put it on. Lock yourself out. Lock yourself out. Congrats. Run the bag up, man. Run the bag up. No announcements in 2025. Just do what you need to do, stay out of the way, and stack. That is the goal. Stay out of the way, guys. Stay out of the way. Here we go. We're going to get a little bit of pullback. 21,500 might act as resistance. Wow, that was a nice entry. If I was, well, we got up to 90. If we got into like the 95, the 94s, I definitely would have taken it short. Huge numbers like that, round numbers, once we get up there, somebody's going to be up there challenging. We've seen that a couple times. More than a couple times. A lot of times. Once we get to a big round number like that, somebody's waiting up there to like unload their plays in either direction. All right, let's see. That was a nice spill. 30-point drop. Whew. Perfecto. Yeah, we're getting the resistance on that 1 hour as well. 1 hour resistance. That's a fresh 1 hour too. Let's see. Fresh 1 hour, we'll see how it reacts. The key is to maintain this guy. Tomorrow I'm doing, we'll see. We will see. Maybe start with one mini and then add to it. So far we're trending, but this 21,500 level can get tricky. That's a fact. If they flip this 1 hour red, what was the open of this red? 1 hour. The open of this 1 hour is 21,459. If we fall below that, we have a red candle. So let's see what happens. Yeah, that trend was definitely the trend. That trend line. I drew this trend line way too late. I definitely drew that Topstep trend line way too late. Should have drawn it on Tradez as well. That was the uptrend, man. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see if we get resistance here. I'm definitely playing 21,500. I think I'll definitely play as a bear from these levels. But at the same exact time, why go against the trend? Don't be a hero. Don't try to be a hero, man. NQ is a worthy opponent, man. He's watching you. He's watching you. I have Ben Franklin watching me. Ben Franklin is always watching me like, do you really want to make that move? Do you really want to overtrade today? He's watching me. Every time I look at the time, he's sitting there like, be disciplined, young grasshopper. Oh, they pushed. Do I play from this level? 92. If we get back into the 90s, I might do it. But we needed a fresh 5 first. I'm not just going to do it just to do it. I need a fresh 15. We can even do a fresh 15. That is 4 minutes from now. Let's see if they sweep 21,500 and hold. Let's see what they can do. They're pushing. That's the thing. They can blow the top off anytime, but 21,500 is a key level, man. Jeez. So what I'm doing is waiting for them. Ooh. Definitely should have taken a little bit. We'll see. Let's see how far she can go up. 21,492.50 is your high. Somebody's definitely going to be here trying to defend. That's a fact. And this is Friday's low. So, oh no, this isn't Friday's. Yeah, it is Friday's low. I'm tripping. Okay. So 21,498 is a key level. Oh man, this is almost perfect in terms of a put. If we get up to 21,498, because we're going to have a fresh candle come in 2 minutes. So I could play it back down. Do I take my chances? We'll see. Fresh 15, right? And then we'll have space to 76. Let's see if it can hold. So far, they're giving us some resistance in the 90s. So let's see. Maybe I missed it. Dang. Well, I mean, we got another. Wow, definitely missed it. But we'll see if we get another perk back up, and then I'll take it back to the downside. 1 minute left, 1 minute, 20 seconds. Let's see what it can do. See, we're pushing back up, pushing back up, pushing back up. There's definitely a little bit of resistance up here. You can kind of feel it. We'll see what the fresh 5 does. 1 minute left. Let's see what it can do. I kind of want to play it. I want to get back into the 90s first, though. Let's see if it can get up there. If it can't, 83, 83.50, 83, 84, nothing. We're not getting anything. Wow, look at that. We're getting slams. When you start getting perks down, somebody's buying. Ooh, should I press it? Wow, definitely had it in the 90s. That would have been a nice move down. 15 points, perfect. Missed it, but it's cool. Let's see what we can do. Fresh 15 right now. Let's see what it can do. Downside or upside. Let's see what it can do. Yeah, it's to the downside. It looks like. It's definitely weak. It's on the weaker side, that's a fact. But we'll see. If we get back up into the 90s, I'm definitely in. Let's see if they can use this as resistance. 76 is a key level. 76, 70, 76, 75, 476, 75. Oh, hold on. Will the bulls do something? Let's see what it can do. Oh, good old lunchtime. Good old lunchtime. What's the 1 hour resistance? What's the 1 hour EMA? 81. 81 is the 1 hour EMA. Let's do it.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get any drop from here. Get in there, come on. $90 was, dang. 90 might have been the entry. Should have waited a bit more, but I'm playing the 1 hour EMA to see if it can hold. I might have to flatten all if we don't get enough. Trying to bring it down. Dang, blew it. I'll put it right above. Oh yeah, they're pushing. Let's see if they can get into the 90s. No, the 90s are pressing down, so I'm banking on the 90s to hold. So I might have to keep it up here in the 90s. That's basically what I'm looking for. A rejection from this level down. So I'll try to wait. If we keep getting perks up, I'll just cut it. 500 is my limit. Let's see if we get a reversal. There we go. Something I got. If this turns red, I got to leave with something. I don't care if it's $100. Oh, not quick enough. Come on, guys. I think it's gonna do it. Let's see. I'll wait. Come on. Any type of drop, guys. Nothing. They're trapping people right here. Because I was looking for a drop off this 490 level, but it looks like they want to go back up there and retest it. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna keep pushing. We'll see if they pull the rug somewhere up here. 90s, the 90s was a good entry. I should have just pulled the trigger earlier. Usually I wait till the next candle, but sometimes your entry will be in that previous candle. Definitely should have pulled it. We'll see. We will see. Can we get anything to the downside? Yeah. Oh, wow. Bulls are heavy right now, man. They don't want to give up. Yeah, they're pushing. So I could put it right above, basically the 90s. That's what I'm playing. We'll see if we get resistance. I feel like this is a bull trap, but we'll see. They're trapping people up here. 76 is also weekly level. So weekly bulls could step in here. I'm still taking it to the downside. We'll see. We'll see. Hopefully. Right now, this candle is filling up. We got a fresh 5 coming. Let's see what the next 5 does. 20 seconds. Oh, bulls are trying to take over. Wow. Wow. Yeah, bulls aren't playing no games. Let's see how this next candle reacts. We got 10 seconds. Okay, come on. Push it down. Let's see what they could do. Ooh, boom. Fresh 5. Does it continue? Or yeah, they're trying to go to the highs. Dang. I tried to push it back down to the trend line, but it didn't work. Nice. You got to give it to him. Nice push. So now we're back into the 90s. How do you play it? Do we use 500 as a resistance? Oh, they might bust through. This is dangerous. What I'm doing right now is dangerous. Don't do this at home, guys. This is super dangerous. They could blast right through, but I'm using 21,500 as resistance to see if we get a flush. This is dangerous. This is very dangerous. Wow, they did it. The bulls tried it. Do we get resistance here or continuation? The bulls definitely tried it. That was crazy. 21,500 is my compass, so I'm just using that as some type of, here we go. I think we're getting something. We'll see. Should I just keep it at 21.5? Let's see if we can keep it at 21.5. Back down to the 70s. Here we go. We're getting something. Stay focused. Come on. Turn this red. Bears. Turn it red. Oh, they don't want to do it. Should I be prudent and leave my stop up at 21,500? Here we go. Come on. Get down there. Let's see what they can do. Oh, wow. Bulls don't want to give up. But we'll see. I'm using 21,500 as resistance. We'll see how this goes. Now we wait. Of course, we're trading in the lunch o'clock hour, which we don't like doing. And boom, look at us. Taking a loss already. The good old lunch o'clock hour. Oh man, bulls are not, they're perking, bro. So I don't know. Wow, look at that. They pushed.
Order filled.
Insane. They're hot right now, man. They are hot. They pushed right through. All right, let's see what they can do. Do we hold 21,500? They're heavy right now. I thought we would get some type of resistance at Friday's low. We didn't get any resistance. They kept pushing. So now, can 500 hold as support? That is the question. Right now it has space. We got space to 21,600 if they can hold. Can they keep going? We'll see. They definitely swept this level. Wow, they're going to knock us down? We'll see. Can we get back to the upside? Let's see if 500 can hold. Let's see. Yeah. Bulls have been hot, man. They've been hot. You got to give it to them. Go with the trend. Twice I went against the trend and got burned. Trying to find the top. It's better to go with it. Oh, these bulls are not playing, man. Let's go on to Tradez. Will we get a rejection here? We might get the rejection here. That was a strong candle, man. I wasn't expecting it to blast through 21.5 like that. But that's good. So this account, basically I need 8 days. So this is day 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 9th is on the Thursday. Let's see. Let's see what we can find. These bulls are not playing, man. Look at that. They're pressing.
Just 3 months ago,
Let's see. Taking a break. Let's go, guys. Strong uptrend, man. Oh, man. Is this where we're going to get the drop? We might get it from here. Something's happening.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whoa. Is this a high? I don't know. Do they want to hold on? Go and see. Trying to see if I can play the highs again. But the bulls are strong, guys. Bulls are really strong right now. We'll see what they can do. They're hot. They're really hot. Wow. Bulls are hot, bro.
Order filled.
Bulls are really like super hot. They're still going with the trend. They're moving, guys.
Order filled.
Let's see how far they can go. It's better to get it at the trend line rather than chase it up. They're moving, guys. Oh, they could pull it back on this candle. Fresh candle. Wow. Yeah, they could pull it back on this candle. Yo, these bulls are not playing. We'll see if they can pop the high of the last candle. They are not playing any games. Last 2 days of the year. We'll see what they can do. They're definitely strong. Yeah, they're trying to drop stuff from here. We'll see if they can hold. Wow. They're really trying to go. Let's see if they can go. Look at that. Yo, they are strong. They're strong right now. You got to give it to them. They're extremely strong right now. You can't mess with the bulls right now. You can't.
Order filled.
You can't mess with the bulls right now. Can they hold? This has been a heck of an effort. They might go back down and test 500. Then we can take it back to the upside. Don't go against the trend. Spy is flying. Let's see if it'll give me something. Puts, call 32. That's the latest one. Yeah, here we go. Now this is your pullback to 500, I believe. We'll see if they can hold.
Order filled.
We'll see. Oh, these bulls are different. These bulls are different, guys.
Order
Wow, back to the upside. Insane. These guys are different. The bulls are not playing any games. They are hot.
Order filled.
That was insane. They do not want to stop, guys. I don't know what they got in there. This is the second to last day. You know how weird things can happen. Right now, they're just buying things up, bro. They do not want to stop. New day high. Is it new day high? No. They do not want to stop. Let's see if they can keep going. Wow. We'll see. Got a red candle, so it might get some resistance here.
Order filled.
Here we go. I guess now they're pushing down. Yeah, this is the biggest red candle we've seen.
Order filled.
So we'll see. Yeah, we haven't seen a red candle like this in a couple candles. It's been a minute. Ooh.
Order filled.
It's like they want to drop it. We'll see.
Order filled.
We'll see if we get some type of continuation. Did it get down to 500? I think it did. These bulls are not playing any games, guys. Insane.
Order filled.
They're not playing any games. They basically used the 500 as a spot to pop back up. These bulls are not playing. It's just like a steady buy up all the way up. It's crazy. Wow, look at that. They're about to spin this candle red green. Insane.
Order filled.
Let's call their bluff. Let's see. Yeah, they've been buying. It's been a buying frenzy, man, the whole day. That's crazy. Could have bought at the trend line and just watched it up. Don't go against the trend. Trying to find the top will mess you up. Wow, they're about to flip the candle. It might happen. They'll
Order
perk up
filled.
and keep going.
Order filled.
Will they find a top? What a bounce. That was a bounce from 500 all the way up to 30. Bulls don't want to give up, man. 2 days left in the year. They are buying it up. Let's see if we get any relief. Let's see what if the Bears do anything. I doubt they'll take things to 2150. Below 500, that's a stretch. But we'll see. The Bears could also try to defend this level because it's a 50% retracement on the QQQ level. Oh, QQQ chart. Let's see if we get anything from here. Getting something, but we'll see. 500 is key, bro, in terms of like, um, kind of just want to hold it, just let it go. It's like 58. You would have to drop 50 points from here, like 60 points. But there's a lot of, yeah, there's a lot of support underneath. So I don't think the bulls will give it up that easy. They're going for it, guys. These bulls are in a different mode right now. They're in a different mode. You got to give it to them. Buying frenzy, guys. They are in a different mode. Double pintail to the upside.
Order filled.
Not a game. They have not stopped since 10:30 this morning. They just keep going, man. Nice. If you just put your stop down at the bottom, and let it go. That's it. We've gone 300 points, man. From here, where are we at? 560. Yeah, 300 points. That's a strong trend up. All right, guys. Almost 1 o'clock. We'll see if the bulls can keep going. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Keep going, man. If you take a L, learn from it and move on. Let's keep on pushing forward, guys. Join the Discord. We got a free chat in there for that you can join. Link in the description. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Keep on going, man. 2025, it's up. Let's get it, guys. Peace.